Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. This video will practice the letter E family, how to read 2-letter and 3-letter CVC words. Before giving to read 2-letter and 3-letter words to the kid, ensure the kid must be familiar with the phonic sounds of A to Z. If the kid is not good in the phonic sounds, and it is very difficult to practice 2-letter and 3-letter words. So let's get into the video. Phonic sound of E is A, D, H, G, egg, N, T, H. After this, give them some practice sheets to become familiar with this reading 2-letter words. Once kid become good with the reading this 2-letter words, we can introduce 3-letter words. Sound of F is H, fed, B, H, bed, L, H, let, R, H, red, V, H, wet. Next one, egg family. B, egg, beg, K, egg, cake, L, egg, leg, B, egg, peg. Next we have N family. D, N, den, H, N, hen, M, N, men, P, N, pen, T, N, ten. Next we have H family. G, H, get, P, H, pet, L, H, let, V, H, wet. Introducing these 3-letter words, give them some practice worksheets so to read and write. I would suggest please don't force to the kid to read all in the same day. Give them family add in a 1 day, egg in 2nd day, 3rd day and 4th day to make it attractive and interactive. So I have made this kind of bigger chart. We can stick this to the wall and we can ask to read these letters. Here I have one more DIY flashcards. So this is letter E, 2-letter words. These are sight words we'll be using in a daily manner. So M, E, me, V, E, we, H, E, he, B, E, P. So like this, a kid will enjoy to read 2-letter words by these flashcards. Hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.